It's enough. Quoi? Kalami. What's the kalami? Oh my god. See? Hindi niyo makikita siya. Hindi niyo makikita niyo siya. Okay, I'm gonna, oops, excuse me. I'm gonna put first the, I'm gonna put, later. I'm gonna put the, because I want to put the salt and the pepper, but after ko na lang siyang mag-grind. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Okay, so the bottom at the base hook. Submission. Base. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that, guys? Bida talaga itong nilupa si Sir Ka. Oh my God. One po yun. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, perfect! I'm gonna see you guys how perfect it is. Oh my god. So powerful! Perfect! Ay, excited na dyan ko. So, guys, if ganun maglumpia, pag-order naman ako. Charot! It's because of the power of my... Yes. Oh my god.